Okay, welcome back, guys. So, today's topic is demand, wants, and need, as well as we also read about Maslow theory. So, demand basically, demand is like food, shelter, water, and clothes, which are our basic necessary needs, and which for these needs we have to go through on daily basis. Then we move to wants, human needs, shaped by society. We are not shaped it is shaped by society. Like uh, human wants buying power to any product, any service. Buying means we have capacity or not to buy this. Needs means human want buys power to any product and services. Means we have capability to buy any kind of product and services. Demand. Demand stand for basic necessity. Wants stand for not afford but we want. Means we can't able to afford but we want. Need stand for affordable. Means we can easily afford and we want. Market strategy. Marketer always create want for social status in market. Marketer suppose that need already flow in market. Needs already flow in market. We just uh, uh, choose what we want. Example, Mercedes is a want or Swift Desire is a need, because there is lots of entity like we are not afford Mercedes, but we can afford Swift Desire, so it is our need. Explanation first. Marketer always trying to provide us little similarity of specification of Mercedes also being Swift Desire. Like marketer also provide us some similarities. Like Mercedes look like very posh, and her working condition also very good. So little bit similarity they are providing in Swift Desire. Marketer always try to match up need with wants. Marketer always try, like there are lots of people who can't afford iPhone, so there is a another option. Alternate option is OnePlus. It is little bit look like iPhone. Maslow hierarchy. It is a hierarchy which tell us the criteria of need, want, and demand. Like psychological needs, food, water, rest. It is our psychological needs. Means necessary needs we can. For example, earning capacity. If between 7k to 10k, in between 7k to 10k, we just focus on our necessary needs. Safety needs, security and safety. Were our earning uh, increase 10k to 15k, on that time we just work on LICs. We need to borrow some LICs. We need to work on our safety concern. Belongingness and love people, relationship and friendship. When we earn 15k to 25k, on that time we just need to we just imagine a dream that right now we need to uh, find a find a person, find a friend who who listen to us like this. Estimate need, prestige, feeling, like when we have to earn 30k to 30k to 40k. On that particular scenario, we have desire like well dressed, bike, car, this kind of needs. Self actualization. Self actualization, like self actualization means creative activity. When we reach on the stage where we are earning 3 lakh to 4 lakh, 3 lakh to 4 lakh, on that time of situation, we find that our demand and our needs almost done come true. So we just we just looking ourselves and little bit socialize ourselves and variety and donation. So this is our some criteria which relate to demand, needs, wants, and national theory. Just go through this topic and you will find it is